One of the more common concerns I hear from people regarding the OpsCore AMP rail mount kit is that there's been a few reports of breakage. I can't say why it breaks every single time. However, one common way I've seen these break is typically user error, and it's often because people aren't reading the manual and understanding how it needs to be installed. If you look at a typical OpsCore, here's another one, an OpsCore AMP arm. If it's configured in this way, where it's slotted up into the arc rail, this is the locking tab. This locking tab on the AMP arm locks into the arc rail. In this position, it can push inwards towards the rail, but it cannot push outwards. There's no movement allowed there. That's how you are ensuring this locked into the arc rail. It's not able to move in that configuration. It's not able to move when rotated here, which would be like that, and it's not able to move when rotated, let's see, backwards to the rear of the helmet. It still can't move. The only position where this locking tab can move is when it is rotated so that the AMP arm is pointing down. At this point, it can freely move in and out, and you can lift it out. So in this example, I can't move it outwards here. However, if I twist it so that the AMP arm is vertically down, I can lift it and pull it out. And the same thing when I install it, I need to make sure that it is in line with the arm itself. Slot it in, you hear it click, and then you can rotate it into the appropriate position. The problem I see when people don't install it like that is that they will force it to jam in, and it may lock in. However, they run a very real risk of it either deforming the tab or breaking the tab or deforming the arc rail, either these measurements of the rail itself or some of the tabs. And that's what you really want to avoid, because at that point, it gets a little bit more costly to replace some of these plastic components. So just something to keep in mind. It's a classic example of RTFM, read the manual. But in lieu of that, consider this your PSA. Make sure that you have this arm turned vertically down to the helmet before you remove or install it. And you should be good to go.